Hi everyone, it's been a while, but I am back, and today's video is gonna be so fun because it's not only a makeup tutorial but also a prank video. I am gonna be trying one of those creepy silicone human face masks, and it's right here next to me. It's looking at me. If you guys have watched Nikita Dragon's video, you guys know what I'm talking about. I've actually wanted to try this mask for the longest time, but I didn't, is because I'm really cheap and these masks cost at least $300, but I was like, I have to get it, so I finally got it. I bought it from one of those Chinese wholesale websites. So if you guys are ready, here it is. Kind of looks like a full-grown baby and also an old man, but it's pretty realistic. You guys can see it has ears, hairs on the eyebrow, even a hole on the ears, nose, and then the mouth kind of like moves. So yeah, this is so cool. I know people use this for cosplaying and even for cross-dressing. So in a minute, I'm going to put this mask on and do the makeup just like how I do it on my normal face, throw on a wig, and then we're gonna video chat some people and see how long it takes for them to realize that I'm actually wearing a silicone face mask. Okay guys, let me put on my wig cap and then I'll put on the mask. Don't know if I told you guys, but this mask is actually pretty heavy. So let me just stretch it out, then just put it. Just adjust this. Oh. Look at how scary I look. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be sweating inside. Also, it's kind of hard to talk. I might just have to do voiceover after this. Wait, before I do the makeup, I want to let you guys know that there is a huge Thanksgiving giveaway happening still on my previous video. There will be a total of 3 winners, and the winners will win makeup from Dose of Colors, ColourPop, Tutti, Sigma. All you guys need to do is comment thanks in this link right here. Alright, let's start the makeup. So I'm going to take BareMinerals Bare Pro Foundation. Even though this mask doesn't need any foundation, I just wanted to make it a little bit more tan because it's kind of like a rubbery pale right now. And then to blend it, I'm using this blue microfiber sponge from Juno Co. The inner corners of this mask is kind of dark. I think that's where they sewed in the brow hair. So I'm going to try to conceal it. I also ended up applying concealer to the rest of my face just because I'm so used to it. So yeah, once the concealer is applied, I'm just going to blend it. Then I felt like contouring as well. I know the nose definitely needs it. So I'm using this contour duo from Rimmel London. I just applied it everywhere like I normally do. But when I started blending it, that's when the disaster happened. It just didn't blend. I guess it's too creamy for the silicone mask. So I'm just going to erase or wipe it all off. How the setting process has started. So I'm going to bake underneath the eyes first using this translucent veil from Hourglass, and then for the rest of the face I'm going to take this IT Cosmetics powder foundation. Once my whole face was set, it was so smooth, like the brush just glided everywhere. Okay, now I can work on the brows, but my head's a little itchy, so let me just hit it since I can't scratch it. And then I'm just going to apply that brow powder from Profusion on the brows, give it a nice shape, nice arch. Then I also use brow pomade to darken it a bit. Alright, I'm ready to contour again, this time in powder form. So I got this palette from Yestyle. I'm going to start applying it to the sides of my nose because I want my nose to look really snatched. And yeah, the powder is blending really well in this silicone mask. For the eye makeup, I'm going to use this beautiful new palette from Huda Beauty. I can't decide what eyeshadow I'm going to use, so I'm just going to take this darker plum and apply it half on the mask and half on my eyelids. I'm also going to apply that on the lower lash line, so just where my skin is. Next, I wanted to use a black eyeshadow because I want the mask and my real eyes to blend a lot better. So I'm applying it on my eyes first and then a little bit on the mask. That's it for the eyeshadows, and now I'm going to take this jet black graphic eyeliner from Cosmetics, and seriously, this liner lasts forever, guys. Also, I have a coupon code right now. It's Promise15, and you guys can get 15% off of all of the products and also their newly released holiday kits. On to the lashes. So I'm going to use Violet Voss lashes today, and I'm not sure if I should apply this on my real eye or the mask. I just ended up applying it on both. I just have to remember to take these lashes off before I pull off the mask, or it's going to be painful. Moving on to the blush. So I'm taking this berry smelling Too Faced blush and then applying it on my cheekbones and then I guess on the nose as well. I just realized I still haven't contoured my face, so I'm taking this bronzer, I think it's from Decay, and I'm going to warm up my face. So I'm applying it on my forehead, the jawline, cheekbones. Yeah, it looks a lot better now. Now I'm down to the lips, and I'm taking a nude lip liner, and you guys can see I'm definitely outlining. I want the lips to look a lot bigger and fuller. So once it's all filled in, I'm also going to shade like the inner parts of my mouth because I want it to look more realistic. Over the lip liner, I'm going to apply this gorgeous dusty pink lip gloss from Cosmetics. It's my favorite. It's called Secret Blush. So once that is applied and the lips are looking perfect, we're going to move on to the last part, which is the highlighter. I'm applying the highlight with my fingers. I think it just works better with the mask. And I have to be careful not to apply too much because then I might look too plastic. Makeup is completely done and I'm really happy with how it turned out. The only last thing I need to do is put on the wig. So here is this black curly wig that I got from Amazon for like $25. Hopefully it'll look realistic enough. Oh my gosh, I kind of look like a celebrity, but I'm not going to tell you guys who it is. Maybe you guys can tell me in the comments and I'll let you guys know if that's who I was thinking. Yeah, I'm really feeling myself. Okay, now it's time to video chat. Video chats, you guys recommended Hala, Monkey, and even Omegle. I don't know how to use them, so give me a few minutes. But I'm curious to see who my victims are going to be today. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm doing this. Okay, so I just have to start video chatting. Okay, just waiting for the perfect person. Because it's my first time. I'm going to get somebody that looks like innocent, I guess. They just like wave and then disappear.
Hello? Damn, she's hot. I think that's like an analysis. I'm scared, bro. Next. How about you?
Not too much, just chilling. Doing my makeup and stuff.
Really?
Yeah.
I want to say.
What do you think of my makeup?
Pretty good.
Looks pretty good.
Oh, damn, girl. Wow, you're beautiful.
Oh, thank you. You too.
That's a face. That's a mask. Is that a mask? Thank you.
No, I just have a lot of Botox, sorry. Hi.
How are you?
Good. You kind of look like somebody I know.
Somebody you know?
Yeah.
Who that might know?
Like Tyga? Maybe?
Tiger?
Yeah.
You have a mask on?
It's just makeup. Lots of makeup.
Lots of makeup?
Okay, my phone is down. That was a very interesting experience. I've never like video chatted with strangers before. I feel like a lot of people could tell this was a mask because there's like zero movement on my face. But this was still a lot of fun. Make sure you guys comment down below and let me know what other fun tryout videos you guys want to see. And if you guys want to see more pranks, make sure you guys enter the giveaway because it's going to end really soon. And yeah, that is it. Signing off, guys. Bye!